Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I filmed this purplish kind of look with two of the Jaclyn Hill Vault palettes. I use Ring the Alarm and Bling Boss. And I have to say Bling Boss is the one that I was most excited about for the purple shades and I absolutely love it. I don't have an issue with this formula. I know some people still got like bad kind of shadows even after they got rid of the first batch, but I'm not going to get into all of that. Mine are fine and I love the palettes. The only one I haven't really played around with a lot is Dark Magic, so I feel like that one did have a lot of issues and I just haven't used that one yet myself. And I honestly have no idea why my hair is so stringy after I have my Brazilian blowout touched up. It just takes like a couple washes to get it to look like normal hair again. But anyway, now let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. If you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just keep watching. Anyway, so I'm going to use a couple of the Vault palettes today. I wore this look on Instagram stories. You guys asked to see a tutorial on it, and I'm going to try to recreate it as best as I can because I know I used Ring the Alarm and Bling Boss. I don't think I used Omni Gorgeous or Dark Magic, so First, I'm going to start off with Hush Hush right here, the light kind of purple pinky transition shade in the Bling Boss palette. And this is a Morphe R37 blending brush. Now I'm going to dip into the Ring the Alarm palette. I'm going to take Rush right here. Yeah, Rush. And if it was Rush or Hush, same brush, pat it on, blend it out. I'm pretty sure I didn't go in with that first Hush Hush shade the first time I did this, but we are rolling with it. Now I'm going to go into Alert, which is a deeper orange. Use that same Morphe R37 and pat it down and blend it out. Now I'm like trying to think, I'm like, what did that makeup actually look like? I know it was purplish. Oh, I don't know. That's a fail right there. I take Rockstar, this matte purple shade right here. It's got a nice warm undertone. Same brush. Pat it down, blend it out. If you watched my last video, you know I'm having some skin issues, so my eyelids are kind of bumpy and texturized, and I have, they're like extra dry for whatever reason. But I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and use the shade Sparks right here. Just a pretty red eyeshadow. I'm just going to lay that down, really focusing it on my mobile lid right here, and then just blending out. As always, I pat it down first and drag it out. Now I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush, which I honestly hate using clean brushes because the pigment just doesn't stick to them that well. But I'm going to go into Rush and Alert again, those two orange shades, and just pop that into my crease just to do one good overall blend and add a little bit more warmth. Okay, and now I'm going to go back into Rockstar. This is the same Morphe M433, and I'm just going to focus on that same little area and then bring it in ever so slightly just to blend. God, the texture of my eyelids, crazy. All right, so that is good for the crease as of right now. I'm gonna take Ballsy right here. This is so, so gorgeous. This is like one of the prettiest shades in any palette I've ever seen, because it's purple, but it has like that kind of opal, like the actual jewel, like undertone. Like it just, I don't know, it's so pretty. So I'm gonna apply that with my finger and start blending that into the purples over here on my outer V. And now just to see this pop a little bit more, and I kind of just want to try it and see what it looks like. That's why I said just to see. I'm going to take my Morphe M421 and some Fix Plus and dip into Ballsy one more time and apply that onto my lid just to see if it'll make it even prettier. Definitely brings out that more opally kind of gold, which is stunning. Now for under the eyes, I'm gonna go back into Sparks, that really pretty matte red shade, and use a pencil brush just to press that into my lower lash line. It's so crazy like how much red that pulls in just from adding that under your lower lash line. That's why I think it's so important to wear eyeshadow under your lower lashes, just because it really pulls everything together. Okay, so now that that is on, I'm going to take a little fluffy brush. This is a Morphe M562. It's just little and fluffy, and it just has a lot of give to it just to really smoke out lower lash line. I'm gonna take Rockstar, which is a really pretty matte purple that we use last in the crease, and just kind of wiggle that all throughout to blend it out. And one final step for under the lower lash line, I'm gonna take Rush, which is that very first orange shade that we went into. I don't really think I actually pointed, but oh well. I'm gonna have to get dermaplaning done or something because my face is so fuzzy from those Halo Beauty vitamins. I had taken 2 full bottles. I was on half of a third, and my peach fuzz on my face just started getting out of control. So I'm not taking any more, but still living with the side effects. So now for eyeliner, I'm going to take this LA Girl Paradise Purple eyeliner. I did wear this the day that I had this on. And of course you could wear a black or a brown if you wanted to. Now I will go into the Dark Magic palette because I'm going to take black. I'm going to use a Morphe M432 flat definer brush just to press that into my lash line at the top to add a little bit more dimension before I apply mascara and lashes. Ooh, that is black, girl. Wow. I don't use black eyeshadows a lot, but that has a lot of pigment. Now I'm just going to take some clear brow gel from Anastasia, set my eyebrows down, and then for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to take, again, I can't stop, the new Maybelline and Nikkitutorials highlight. I'm going to use the same pencil brush that I took on my lower lash line and just wipe it off so I don't get any red on my inner corner from that eyeshadow that I used. And I'm just going to pop that on to my inner corner. It is so gorgeous. It's like the perfect inner corner highlight shade. So pretty. I'm gonna use that to also highlight my nose. So I'll use that same little brush. And then let's go ahead and try it on the cheek as well, why not? This is a Morphe M501 that I'm using to apply this to the high points of my cheeks with. Do that also right above my eyebrows. All right, so now I'm gonna pop on some Ardell 113 Wispies. And already applied mascara off camera. Oops. Okay, let that dry for a second before I glue it down. Now my battery's flashing that it's gonna die, but we can finish. No worries. Okay, so I'm gonna take Charlotte Tilbury's Iconic Nude Lip Pencil. I took out my top Invisalign so that no lipstick gets on my teeth or on my retainer, because it never fails with that Invisalign. So I'm gonna line my lips. I'm gonna take an OG, which is MAC Myth. I used to wear the crap out of MAC Myth, and it's been a while. Like, I've actually finished a good bit of it. I don't know, this is what I was picturing this look to look like. Let's try Alexa Perseco Cosmetics Victoria. Do that right over the top, so it's not so pale. And I have been on a gloss kick lately, so I'm going to take Brillo from Dose of Colors and I Love Sadie's collab. And it's basically just a clear gloss with some gold and silver shimmer in it. So pretty. And then that is it for this makeup look. Make sure our lashes on. Yep. Alrighty, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.